In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the page margin size in Google Docs. Whether you're tailoring a document for personal use, setting up a professional report, or modifying your margins for a specific printing requirement, knowing how to adjust these settings is essential to ensure your document looks just the way you want it. Now, let's dive into the process step by step. First things first, open up Google Docs and locate your document. Once you've got your document open, navigate your eyes to the top of the screen where the menu bar is located. Here, you'll want to find and click on the File option. This will open a drop-down menu that houses a variety of document controls and settings. As you scroll down the drop-down menu, look for Page Setup. Go ahead and select it. This is the control center for configuring how your document is displayed, including its margins, orientation, and paper size. Once you're in the Page Setup window, you'll see input boxes for the top, bottom, left, and right margins. This is where you can customize the exact measurements of your margins. You might want these to be smaller to fit more text on a page, or larger if you're preparing a formal document or one that requires more space for annotations. Just type in the numbers that best suit your needs. Remember, these measurements are typically in inches or centimeters, depending on your settings, so make sure you're considering the units while entering your values. Once you've typed in your desired measurements for each margin, you're nearly finished. Simply look to the bottom right corner of the Page Setup window and click OK. By doing this, you'll apply the changes to your document, and you should see the new margins reflected immediately. And here's a little bonus tip. If you really like these settings and foresee yourself using them often in future documents, you can set them as your default preference. Just click on the Set as Default button before you click OK. This handy little trick saves you from having to adjust the margins every single time you create a new document in Google Docs. And there you have it. You now know how to change the page margins in Google Docs. This simple yet highly customizable feature can greatly enhance the presentation of your documents. Whether you use it for aesthetics, functionality, or professional requirements, it's a powerful tool to have in your Google Docs toolkit. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check back for more helpful tips to get the most from your digital tools.